All stop. Very good. All stop. Nice strokes, you guys. Powerful crew. Forward 2 more. 1 more. Very good. We're headed into Eiffel Tower. Headed through the gateways as we leave African Queen. Forward 1 more. Forward 1 more. 2 more. Two more. Excellent. Backstroke 1. All stop. Excellent. Excellent. All stop. Punch her out there. Catch up with Mike. Forward 2. Nice and steady all together. Nice and steady all forward. Nice and steady all together. Nice and steady. Nice and steady. Watch the kayaks. Oh, we got 1 down. Oh, we got 2 down. One's in his boat already. Oh, is he good? Oh, man. What a job. All stop. All stop. Backstroke, all back, backstroke, all back, all back, all back, all back, all back. Keep them coming back, all back, all back, all back, all back. Nice, all stop. Great job. Nice work, everybody. That's cool. We got swimmers. You see how fast we got back in that boat? Justin, you're the best. That's hot, dude. That's a great rebound.
How did you do that?
Hey, Mike, you want to sing it to us once you get it?
Yeah. What did I get?
Coming back to you, Calder. Hey, they have some gas to it. Gas. Woo! You guys see how fast we got back in the boat? He just detected the water temperature. That'll be a great clip. That'll be a really good clip. Sweeter than sweet. Forward 1. Very good. We'll take a drift. Nice work, everybody.